Ayan, hello! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, mga madam and sir, I hope na nasa mabuti po kayong kalagayan. So, in today's video, oh my goodness, lumiwanag siya. Okay, so in today's video, ayan, alamin natin kung anong maging kapalaran ng ating Earth signs today, September 14. Okay, September 14 to 2023. Okay, paalala lang sa lahat, this is a general reading. Hindi po ito magre-resonate po sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Okay, so try to be open and receptive. Ayan. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Spirit Guides and Angels. Ano ang kapalaran ng ating mensahe or gabay ng ating para sa ating Earth signs? Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, you have the Six of Cups. Okay, some of you, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Earth signs, you are feeling nostalgic today. Ayan, you are looking back. Ang dami yung, maybe you're doing a lot of reflection today. You will do some reflection, yung iba sa inyo, or it could mean na may magbabalik ngayon na araw na to. May magpaparamdam, may magbabalikan, may uuwi sa bahay, may reconciliation na mangyayari. Okay? Ayan. If hindi naman ngayon, maybe in the next few days. You have the Ten of Wands. Some of you are heavy burdened. Uy, lumiwanag. Okay? Thank you, Spirit Guides and Guardian Angels. Every time na may ritual akong ginagawa, ayan sila, lumiliwanag, dumilim na naman. Andyan ang aking mga Spirit Guides and Guardian Angels. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Some of you, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, you are feeling overwhelmed lately. Okay? Overstressed sa work, stress sa work, ayan, pagod na pagod, nahihirapan na ba? Okay? Hindi pa rin nag-give up. Ang dami sigurong ginagawa. Overburdened with work and responsibilities. Ayan, but don't worry kasi malapit na magtatapos yung paghihirap ninyo. Okay? Tutulungan kayo. I feel like tutulungan kayo nito. Oy, Seven of Swords. Mag-ingat sa mga scammers. Lumiwanag na naman, guys. Okay, mag-ingat sa mga taong nasa paligid natin. Baka nagsisinungaling sila. Ayan. Nanakawin kayo sa bahay. Mag-ingat. Okay, mabudol kayo. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, if ayan, may nag-cheat, okay? There's a cheating energy within a relationship. So, mag-ingat. May taong hindi nagsasabi ng totoo. Ayan. Next, you have the Page of Swords. Oh my goodness, halos parehas kayo ng fire signs. So, there is this energy of feeling very energetic today. Very talkative. Okay, mag-ingat. Be careful with the information that you may receive today. Okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. It might be misleading. Okay, try to get more information about this person who maybe kadil mo sa work, kadil mo sa business. Try to get to know this person very well first before you do any decision regarding money or I don't know. Okay? I feel like if this is not the case, may nag-espiya sa'yo, may gustong kumausap, parang may nag-stalk sa'yo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, at gusto kanyang kausapin. This might be a person from the past with a Six of Cups. Hirap na hirap siyang kausapin ka or naghihirap siya ngayon and gustong-gusto kanyang kausapin at gusto niyang makipagbalikan sa'yo, gusto niyang bumalik kung ano meron kayo dati, relasyon, parang ganun ang nafe-feel ko dito sa energy na to. Okay? At the bottom, you have the Strength card. Yeah, you are so brave, no? With the Strength card, I feel like pairalin mo yung compassion mo. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You see the love there? Yeah. If this person is very aggressive towards you, be understanding, be loving, okay, be compassionate, and focus on love. Okay, focus on love. You have the strength to overcome any difficulties in your love life. I think that's the message of this strength card. You're very strong when it comes to relationship, earth signs. You're very strong. Yeah, napaka-strong ang mga earth signs. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You know why? Because earth signs are very grounded. They're so grounded. Emotionally grounded and emotionally stable. Okay? Most of the time. Okay? Ayan. Now, let's get some angel number, no? For any messages. 555. May nakita kong 555. Sa camera ko. Ang daming changes na mangyayari sa ating earth signs starting today. Okay? Changes are heading your way. Claim this 555. Angel number. Wow. I think it's for me too. Ang daming changes. Good changes is happening. Thank you, Spirit Guides and Angels. Ang dami. Kunin ko yan. Nahulog siya. It meant for you talaga. So, ang dami yung angel number. You have 26. You have 999. You're very unique person. And you have I am limitless. O, isa-isahin natin. You're very tactful daw. Okay, sabi dito, you have a desire to succeed and will feel most accomplished when your work benefits others. Your intuitive awareness of what people want allows you to come up with innovative solutions to meet their needs. You're very tactful. You're very smart. Earth signs. Okay? You have a desire to succeed and you will succeed if alam mo ang solution sa isang problema. If you are willing to work with others, okay? And you have this intuitive awareness. Okay? Being thoughtful, being in tune with what people are parang what other people needs and wants. Okay? And you are so you always come up with an innovative solutions to some problems. Okay? Ayan. Number 26. 999. Thank the past for your lessons and leave it where it belongs so you can make the best of the life that is still waiting to be fulfilled by only you. Ayan, so that's the message from your guardian angels, to leave the past behind and thank the past. Whatever man, kung ano mang nangyari sa past, it happens for a reason. Thank the past. Pasalamatan mo daw yung past for the lessons and leave it where it belongs. Okay, so leave the past behind so you can make the best of the life that is still waiting to be fulfilled by only you. I think there are some changes ahead for you, earth signs. You are a very unique person, and I think your guardian angels saw that in you. You are very special. You're very special and unique, okay, in the eyes of our God and archangels and guardian angels. Wow! Ang swerte naman ng ating earth signs. Very unique first people. You have number 0. You are limitless. Okay? Unlimited person. Unlimited, limitless. Okay? There is no beginning and no end. All is infinite. It is time to develop your spiritual side. Okay, you are gaining new sight. Okay, and understanding of both godly and earthly things. So I really do feel there's a new beginning waiting for you with a 0, because 0 is the start of a new chapter. So there's a new good things are heading your way, earth signs. I really do feel that. Okay, there's an infinite, limitless potential for you. Okay, unlimited potential that would lead to your abundance, wish fulfillment with this 999, and happiness. You are adventurous. Number 23. Okay? So, ayan. Number 23, again, you are very adventurous today. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. You have a zest for life. Okay? You are eager to experience anything and everything feels impossible for you today. Okay, you love the changes. You will love the changes that is happening for you. You are very excited. And there's this feeling of excitement and feeling truly alive today. Okay? For you, it feels like life is an adventure to be lived to the fullest. So, ayan. I feel like you're excited about these changes. You're excited about some changes that is happening for you in the future. And you feel that. You're already feeling that energy. Okay, earth signs, you are very, it feels like you are loving it. You feel that there is always something for you out there. Alam mo yun, like there's this feeling na parang nothing is impossible for you. Okay, because you feel like the universe handling you or giving you everything you've ever wanted. Everything feels like going according to your plan. Alam mo yung ganun. So, wow, it's very good. Although there is this feeling that everything feels like overwhelming because ang daming nangyayari sa buhay ninyo lately. Okay, some of you are overstressed, but no, it's not really that. It's like I feel like some of you love the challenges as well. So, ayan, Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, let me know in the comments if nag-resonate, no? Okay, bago ako aalis, gusto ko lang i-announce sa mga namomroblema sa love life dyan. Okay, may love bracelet. Okay, you have rose quartz. Okay, real stone po yan ha. You have amethyst and rhodonite. Okay, rose quartz for harmony, peace, compassion, rhodonite, and amethyst. Ayan. So, namomroblema sa love life. Nag-away kayo ng partner ninyo, magulo kayo, lagi kayong nag-away bate or something like magulo. Okay? So, naghahanap ng pampaswerte. You have good luck bracelet. You have aquamarine for inspiration. You have moonstone for new beginning. And citrine for confidence. Ayan, 850 each yan. Dalawa na lang. Okay? Dalawa na lang natira. So, naghahanap ng hustisya. Ayan. You need this to Justice Spell Jar. 270 pesos. Ilagay nyo yung name ng person dyan. Or intention. Okay? Ganyan po mag-sealed ng jar, mga madam ha. Ganyan po mag-sealed. Okay, ayan. Patakan nyo lang dito sa mic. Make sure na nakabalot yung white dyan. White or black ang gagamitin dito na candle. Guys, meron na tayong feedback sa ating all-in-one, 2-in-1 financial blockages removal. Okay, 2 na or 3 lang ang feedback neto. I'm so happy. Okay, it takes patience is virtue dito ha. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi tatanggalin pa yung mga blockages sa inyo about sa finances nyo. Hindi madaling matanggal ang mga blockages because it's a work in progress po. Okay? And kailangan dasalan nyo everyday to. Okay? Relationship repair jar. Okay? Naghiwalay kayo ng jowa nyo. Naghiwalay kayo ng mister nyo, ng partner nyo, ng girlfriend nyo, ng asawa nyo. Gusto nyo yung bumalik. Gusto nyo bumalik yung person ninyo. You need this, relationship repair spell jar. 290 pesos only. Okay? Ilagay nyo yung name ng person dyan sa loob na, syempre, isulat nyo sa maliit na papel and then ilagay nyo sa jar, sa loob ng jar. And then, may kasamang instructions to. Okay? Huwag kayo mag-alala. So, naghahanap ng afam, naghahanap ng jowa, naghahanap ng, kainlaban, ayan, naghahanap ng new relationship, Ayan, naghahanap ng taong magmamahal sa'yo ng tunay. Okay, you need this love and attraction spell jar. 290 pesos each only. Okay, you can take a screenshot of the items na pinakita ko and then message me sa Bono Magos Facebook page. Okay, so ayan. Guys, follow me on Instagram kasi kailan ba? Saturday or Sunday. Magpapahula ko ng libre. I'll see you there. Alright, maraming salamat. God bless, more power, and ingat po. Paalam!